Welcome to the best picks. The best solar bird bath pump is probably one of the most delightful and practical additions you can make to your garden, offering a refreshing oasis for birds while adding a touch of elegance and tranquility to your outdoor space. In this video, we will explore the key features, benefits, and factors to consider when choosing the perfect solar-powered bird bath pump to enhance your backyard haven and attract a variety of feathered friends. Number 5. AISITIN DIY Solar Water Pump. This kit lets you create your own bird bath fountain or fish tank water circulator. It's easy to assemble and helps create a vibrant ecosystem for your feathered and fin friends. It boasts a high-efficiency solar panel for strong power, and its upgraded design ensures a longer lifespan than standard solar pumps. The water height depends on the sunlight intensity. With 6 interchangeable nozzles, it creates a variety of water features. You can easily change the spray patterns to prevent splashing and customize your water display. Simply position it in the sun, and it starts working automatically. The longer the sunlight exposure, the better it performs. The long cord provides flexibility in placement. Remember, it needs sunlight to operate. Keep the solar panel clean and the pump unclogged for optimal performance. Cloudy days or a dirty panel may affect its function. What we like? It's a versatile DIY kit, perfect for creating unique water features. If you enjoy customizing your garden and want a long-lasting pump, this is the one for you. Its multiple nozzles allow you to create various water displays, adding a personalized touch to your outdoor space. What people say? It takes a simple bird bath and turns it into something extraordinary. The bees and the butterflies love it. Works consistently as long as the sun is shining on it. The solar power aspect makes it convenient to use almost anywhere. It comes with a bunch of different nozzles, but we actually fitted it with a straw to use in our makeshift bird bath and it worked perfectly. Has the perfect spray for a bird bath. Birds are loving it. Everything went together easily for me. It's got a nice size spray, so you're going to want a pretty decent size bath, or the overspray may drain your bird bath quickly. Number 4. AISITIN 2.5W Solar Fountain Pump. It's a solar-powered water pump kit, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your garden. Transform your bird bath or fish tank with ease. With 6 different nozzles, it creates a variety of water features. Watch as it dances and flows, adding life to your outdoor space. It's completely solar-powered, so it's environmentally friendly and safe for birds and fish. Enjoy a relaxing and natural water feature without any worries. Simply place it in the water, connect the pump and panel, and position the panel in direct sunlight. It's that easy to set up and enjoy. Always keep it submerged in water to protect the motor. Regularly clean the panel and change the water to keep it running smoothly. The water height depends on the sunlight intensity. What we like? This powerful pump gets the job done quickly. If you need a reliable and environmentally friendly option, this solar-powered pump is perfect for you. Its efficient design ensures your bird bath or pond stays lively, even on less sunny days. What people say? As soon as I put this out in the sun, it started working. I am using it as a hummingbird fountain and it's perfect for that. Very easy assembly, the tubing that comes with it fits perfectly to the base of the pump. These do a great job on my DIY fountain leading into a small bird bath in my backyard. So far it's been in use for over a month and it's worked consistently. It has the power needed to carry the water up 3 feet to the top of the fountain. The size is small, but don't let it fool you. These pack a powerful spray. Everything assembled great and it's easy to use. The water with provided tubing can handle 3 feet projection on a cloudy day. Number 3. SZMP Solar Fountain. Transform your outdoor space with this elegant solar fountain. It's not just beautiful, it also creates a welcoming habitat for birds and other wildlife. This fountain uses a high-quality solar panel to power itself, making it completely effortless to operate. Enjoy the beauty without the hassle of cords or electricity. With 7 interchangeable nozzles, it offers 8 different spray patterns. You can change the look to match your mood and create a dynamic water feature. The 4 sturdy pipes keep it stable and prevent spills, ensuring consistent operation and a clean bird bath. Enjoy worry-free use. Simply place it in sunny water, and it starts working immediately. It's that easy. Enjoy a beautiful fountain with minimal effort. What we like. This elegant fountain adds a touch of sophistication to your garden. If you're looking for a beautiful and stable water feature that attracts wildlife, this is an excellent choice. Its unique design prevents spills, ensuring a clean and enjoyable experience. What people say. The fountain comes with different nozzles so that you can adjust the type of water flow. The fountain is not only pretty, but it aerates the water to help keep it clean and free of green goop. The solar panels work well and, if you keep the sponge filter clean, will result in a nice steady stream. Number 2. AMZTime 2.5W Solar Fountain Pump. This solar water fountain is perfect for DIY projects. Turn it into a bird bath fountain or a fish tank circulator. It creates a safe and healthy environment for your feathered and finned friends. With 6 different nozzles, you can create unique water features. It starts working in seconds and the water height depends on the sunlight intensity. Enjoy the upgraded 2.5W power. It's completely solar powered, so it's environmentally friendly and safe to use. Give your birds a refreshing drink without any worries. Simply place it in the water, secure the pump, and connect it to the solar panel. The long wire allows for flexible placement, even in partial shade. Never run it dry, or the motor will be damaged. Change the water regularly to keep it clean and clear. The pump's performance depends on the sunlight. It will work continuously only under strong sunlight. What we like. This pump is incredibly easy to set up and use. If you value convenience and a quick startup time, this is the perfect option. Its powerful motor and multiple nozzles create a dynamic water display with minimal effort. What people say. Has pumping power that I would expect and runs well. It does state that it needs to have full sun for optimum operation. Well, yesterday had stormy weather, rain expected. I went out on the deck and that little pump was still bubbling even with complete cloud cover. Then rain came, still kept bubbling. The solar panel is large and works very well. I would say the pump is too powerful for my needs, but it could easily push water in a productive flow up the entire length of the included tubing with no problem. Setup was very straightforward. Came with everything necessary. The different spray settings are easy to interchange. It's nice to have backup when every so often we have to clean them out for optimal performance. The sun gives it plenty of power because it can operate 24 hours a day non-stop. It's been on for almost 3 months and still works like new. Amazing price for such an awesome gadget. Number 1. Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump. It's powered by the sun, so there's no need for batteries or electricity. Just place it in the water, and it starts working in seconds with enough sunlight. It comes with 6 different nozzles, allowing you to create various water patterns. You can customize the water spray to your liking. This charming fountain adds beauty and energy to your garden. It may even attract birds and butterflies. Installation is a breeze. Simply place it in the water, and it will begin working in just 3 seconds with sufficient sunlight. It's perfect for bird baths, fish tanks, small ponds, pools, and gardens. It also helps circulate water for better oxygenation. Make sure it has enough water and sunlight. It only works under direct sunlight and doesn't store energy. What we like. This easy-to-use pump is perfect for beginners. If you want a simple yet effective solar fountain, this is the one. Its compact design and multiple spray patterns make it ideal for smaller bird baths and gardens. What people say. Super easy to put together, works well in the bird bath. It does require full sun to fully work though. This is very reasonably priced. Solar Works Great Fountain shoots up 8 to 12 inches high. Also it comes with 4 other fountain heads to change the width height of the spray. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. As soon as I put the fountain together and walked with it into the sun, it automatically turned on and I could feel it vibrating. When I placed it in my bird bath, which is under an orange tree and mostly shaded, it began to spout water about 6 or 7 inches into the air approximately once every 2.5 seconds. So far, it is working well given the partial sunlight. In full sunlight, water will continually spout up, at least 2 feet high without interruption. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.